Hello friends, today we are making a Prima doll. For this I am using the Prima doll stamp. First we will stick the stamp on the acrylic block. No worries, my block is a little smaller, but I will show you with a small block also we can do stamping. I am using archival ink for stamping. So we have done stamping. Now for the dresses of the Prima doll, we will stamp on a pattern paper. For the skirt, only the skirt part we will stamp it. We will stamp hairband also and shoes also. After stamping, our next step is we will do fuzzy cutting of the shoes, dress, skirt, hairband. It's good if you do fuzzy cutting, leaving the border apart. We will do fuzzy cutting of the Prima doll stamp too. Once we are ready with our all fuzzy cutting, it's time to stick the pattern paper on the Prima doll stamp. For sticking the pattern paper, we will use a foam tape. We will do the very small cutting of the foam tape so it won't be visible. We have stick the foam tape on the place where we have to stick the pattern paper. Now we are sticking the shoes. Our foam tape should be smaller than the pattern paper so it won't look shabby. It will give a 3D look. For that purpose only we are using the foam tape. Hope you can see the little gap between this. This is the way we are going to stick all the pattern paper. So after tracing the Prima stamp image, we will color first her hair. I am using a black marker to color. Again we are taking a foam tape, cutting in a very small pieces as our hairband is also too small. So cut it in very small pieces. Now our Prima doll is ready to use on any project or tags, whatever. Hope you like our video.